Namaste friends, hello Dosto, welcome to Mudita Naari's colorful channel. In today's video, I made another shaak, and through this video, I'm sharing the process of the same. The two vegetables that I'm going to use to make this shaak are cauliflower and frozen peas. So let's start without any further delay. First thing first, I'm going to take the leaves of the cauliflower and then cut the base like this. I'm also going to remove this bony part, and this is how it looks when the bony part is removed. Then I've chopped the florets into medium sizes, and then it's bath time. I'm going to leave these florets into the water filled with salt, a teaspoon of salt, for almost an hour or so. I always wash the vegetables that I'm going to use in salt water. That is because once I watched in one of the program that washing vegetables and fruits with salt water removes any chemical residues left on its surface. And now it's vagar time. So taking 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil is hot enough, so I'm going to add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and then I'm going to cover this pan with the lid to prevent the mustard seeds from jumping out of the pan. Once this splattering noise of mustard seeds calms down, it means it's time to add some more ingredients. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, then adding a pinch of asafoetida, giving it a gentle stir before adding further ingredients. Next, adding some cinnamon sticks and some curry leaves. Then adding 2 teaspoons of ginger paste and 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric. And then mixing all the spices together. So these florets have had their salt water bath and I've rinsed them well, and now adding them into the pan with the spices, mixing everything together, adding roughly 100 ml of water and again mixing everything well, then adding salt according to taste and stir. Then I'm going to let the cauliflower cook on high heat for 5 to 7 minutes, and I'm going to check in between so that the cauliflower doesn't stick to the pan. Now it's a time for a pinch test. I'm going to pinch the cauliflower to see whether it's been cooked or not. In this case it hasn't, so I'm going to put this one back, put the lid on and let it cook this time on the medium heat for further 5 to 7 minutes. Then I'm going to add 1 1/4 small size bowl of defrosted peas, and of course mix everything well. While mixing the peas, I noticed there is too much of gravy and water. I don't want this shaak to have any gravy. I want it dry. So I've cooked it on high heat for further 5 minutes. Now all the sauce has been dried up. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of dhania jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and mix it well. Just look at the color of this, friends. Isn't that beautiful and colorful like my channel? Then I'm adding 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and I'm going to put the lid straight after adding the garam masala. This is because the fragrance of garam masala stays in and mixes in very well with the shaak. And I'll continue mixing till all the powder spices are combined very well with the vegetables. So my shaak is ready, and if you would like to know how my shaak has turned out, then please listen to this. Papa, shaak કેવું થયું છે?
સારું થયું.
And this shaak can be consumed with roti, naan, paratha and rice. So my friend, this is the end of this video. If this is your first visit to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you've liked this video, please remember to give thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, my friends. Till we meet again, take care. Bye. Avjo. Bye.